Ever wonder how much money Beforepay will actually approve you for on your first try? You're not alone. Getting a payday advance can be a lifesaver, but that initial approval amount can feel like a bit of a mystery. So, let's dive in and uncover the factors that influence Beforepay's first-time approval decisions. Beforepay is a popular on-demand pay platform that allows employees to access a portion of their earned wages before their regular payday. It's a fantastic solution for unexpected expenses or those I need it now moments. But naturally, everyone wants to know, how much can I actually get? Now, there's no single magic number. Your first-time approval amount depends on a few key factors. Your employment status and income. Beforepay needs to verify your employment and income. The longer you've been with your employer and the higher your income, the higher the potential approval limit. Your company's partnership with Beforepay. Not all companies offer Beforepay, and the terms of their partnership can vary. Some companies may have specific limits or eligibility criteria set in place. Your credit history, usually not a major factor. While Beforepay may consider your credit history, it's generally not the primary factor in determining your initial approval amount. They prioritize your current employment and income information. Your payment history with Beforepay, if applicable. This only applies after your first advance. Consistent and timely repayments can lead to increased approval limits over time. Here are a few tips to potentially increase your initial approval amount. Ensure accurate employment information. Make sure your employment information in the Beforepay app is completely accurate and up-to-date. Review your company's policy. Familiarize yourself with your company's specific Beforepay policy. Start small. For your first advance, consider requesting a smaller amount to build a positive payment history. Beforepay fees. Remember that Beforepay charges a small fee for each advance. Responsible borrowing. Use Beforepay responsibly. Only borrow what you need and ensure you can repay the advance on time to avoid any potential issues. While the exact amount of your first Beforepay approval can vary, understanding the factors that influence it can help you make informed decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.